interruption age. You're getting pinged, dinged, zapped, inundated, overwhelmed. You've got deadline driving your day. You've got decisions to make, and you got to make them now. That's the reality. Often it's fairly stressful, but let's admit it, it's exhilarating as well. The brain operates in different frequencies, and the fastest frequency is beta. This is where you're moving when things are going and things are coming at you, and it's going very fast. It's really addictive when we get into this mode. We're feeling needed, we're part of the action, we're important. And that's great, that's great. The only problem is, when you're in that mode, you can't lead. To lead, you need to get away from the center to the periphery. You need to get off the floor where the action is, get up on the balcony so you can look down and see what's going on. This is what I call alpha time. This is where you problem solve. This is where you can see patterns. This is where, if you have a big presentation coming up, you might come up with a good story or metaphor or analogy, something that can help others really understand what you're trying to convey. I challenge you to take 45 minutes each day to deal with these issues. And I promise you, you will find a marked difference in your effectiveness as a leader.